Witam wszystkich. Hello everyone. A new Epson L8180 just arrived. Quick introduction. I just acquired buy a new one as my old Epson L3060 just died. I just burned a printhead. I just washing printhead with a lot of liquids, and just didn't wait. The printhead got burned, the mother got burned. I just bought some AliExpress chips and MOSFETs, but I don't know how to solder. So let's go back to my Epson L8180. So it's basically the same as ET8550 on the other markets. I will just make a quick unboxing. All the details, technical details you can find on the other videos. Yeah, I will switch to Polish now just to. Witam wszystkich. Będę miał szybki unboxing drukareczki Epson L8180. Właśnie do mnie przyjechała. Dlaczego ją zakupiłem? No bo ponieważ mój stary Epson L3060 umarł. Nieumiejętne czyszczenie głowicy drukującej spowodowało uszkodzeniem dwóch MOSFETów oraz układu sterującego chipa prądu na płycie głównej. No i przyjechały części z AliExpress, ale nie umiem tego naprawić, więc odłożyłem sprzęt na bok. To jeszcze będzie naprawiane, o tym będzie jeszcze może jakiś topik. Sporo tego jest też na internecie, na YouTube. A więc szybki unboxing tutaj, szybkie rozpakowanie drukareczki, wszystkie szczegóły techniczne na innych wideo zapraszam na YouTube. Nie będę zbyt dużo mówił. Nożyk stary, old knife. It's a sunny day today. She's from Poland, by the way. Pozdrowienia z Polski dla wszystkich miłoszy, miłosińskich, osoby lubiące drukować zdjęcia. So, cordiali saluti per tutte le persone che fanno hanno piacere di stampare le foto. Cordiali saluti dalla Polonia. So yeah, as I said, it's ET8550 series on the UK and other country in Europe market. I'm from Poland, so it's called Epson L8180. Stereocam, cartoons. Sorry, you didn't see nothing. Stereocam. There's a bit foil. Oh, those are the cartridges. Yeah. Well packed, I think. Yeah, well packed. Dobrze zapakowane. One, two, three, four, five. So we are like missing one. 6, here you are. Mamy wszystkie 6 tuszy kolorowych. Seria 115. Tusze niby pigmentowe, albo tylko czarny jest pigmentowy. I don't know if the only black one is the pigment and the other one are DIY inks. Sorry for my English. Broken English, that's the printer. Yeah. One on the other. This is more or less how it looks like. As I said, I will do it quickly without losing your precious time. So That's all more or less the stuff. Cable. Instructions. The printer. I know you will dislike this video. I know. But this is how it looks like. I will not unpack it further. I will put it on the solid table. I will unpack my laminator and the pack of the paper. Laminator. I will laminate my photos printed on my Epson printer here. LCD display, wyświetlacz, pyk. Oh, by the way, look guys. I even didn't put off the foil from my old printer. Nawet nie usunąłem starych foliek ze starej swojej drukarki, a już padła. Ale przedrukowała ładnych parę tysięcy zdjęć, więc... Yeah, this printer has been print a lot of photos. Like the old one, the 4-color printer has been print already made a lot of photos. Let's see what this will do. How resistant will be the new photo printer. I mean, the old one is not photo printer. The new one is called photo printer, but from home use. Doing the 1000 photo print test in the next video, I will try to use it as a little as like for a business, of course only for family and my private use, but let's try to use it as I said, make it perform more. Oh, I don't know, I need to read instruction. I don't want to broke something when I push the blue foil. Something is exiting, some plastic parts are exiting, yeah. So yeah, I will not unpack it all. Nie będę chyba jej całej rozpakowywał, bo na razie nie mam czasu. Okay, see you in the third part.